Mrs. Jansen, 82 years old, lives in an assisted living home and receives support with her daily care. She has type 2 diabetes and osteoarthritis.
What exactly is type 2 diabetes and what does osteoarthritis mean? Type 2 diabetes is a chronic condition in which the body is less able to regulate blood sugar. Osteoarthritis is a chronic condition in which the cartilage in the joints is gradually broken down.
For the past week, Mrs. Jansen has been suffering from fatigue, loss of appetite, and not feeling well. Her daughter notes that she spends a lot of time on the couch and is less mobile. She complains of cold feet, didn't eat her breakfast this morning, and a dry mouth.
The ABCDE method is a structured approach to quickly and systematically assess a patient's health status and address life-threatening situations. By working systematically from A to E, you can quickly identify and treat the most serious threats to life. It puts life-threatening problems first, and it prevents less urgent matters from distracting attention.
Check that the airway is clear and that the patient can breathe. Look, listen, and feel for airflow. Check breathing by counting the frequency, determining the depth and quality. Look for symmetrical movement of the chest and listen for breathing sounds. Measure oxygen saturation if possible. Check the heart rate by counting the frequency, feeling the strength of the pulse and the regularity of the heartbeat. Watch for signs of shock, such as pale skin, sweating, or a drop in blood pressure. Assess the level of consciousness, check the pupillary responses, and measure blood glucose if possible. Examine the entire body for injuries, skin abnormalities, or other problems. Make sure that the patient does not become hypothermic. Keeping warm is important. Consult the health assistant, a custom AI, which is specially designed to support healthcare professionals, students, and even patients. This is a personalized GPT, or an advanced AI tool that can provide immediate answers to health questions. Whether you want to learn more about a medical condition, need help creating a care plan, or are simply looking for an explanation of how the human body works, this assistant is here to help.
Thanks for taking this human body tour class. Do you have any questions? Leave them in the comments below. We look forward to seeing you again at the next lesson.